Fear sneaks into our heart without permission. It paints a picture of helplessness and hopelessness. It steals our peace and our concentration. What are we fearful about? Fear turns our focus inward and reveals a heart that sometimes finds it hard to trust. When these fears and worries strike, how good it is to read David's prayer in Psalm 34. I sought the Lord and He answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. And how does God deliver us from our fears? When we look to Him, when we focus on Him, our fears fade. We trust Him to be in control. Then David mentions a different type of fear. Not a fear that paralyzes, but a deep respect and awe of the One who surrounds us and delivers us. We can take refuge in Him because He is good. This awe of His goodness helps put our fears into perspective. Those who fear Him lack nothing, concludes David. How wonderful to discover that in the fear of the Lord we can be delivered from our fears.